Blackheads and whiteheads. These tiny blemishes are a common skin concern. Blackheads are open pores clogged with oil and dead skin, giving them a dark appearance. Whiteheads, on the other hand, are closed pores with trapped oil and debris, forming small white bumps. Both can be frustrating to deal with. They often pop up on our noses, foreheads, and chins, impacting our confidence. But there's good news. You don't need harsh chemicals or expensive treatments to combat these pesky blemishes. A simple, natural solution might already be in your kitchen. We're talking about a DIY mask using egg whites, instant coffee powder, and tissue paper. That's right. These readily available ingredients can work wonders for your skin. Let's dive into the benefits of each ingredient and learn how to create this easy, effective blackhead-busting mask. Get ready to say goodbye to blackheads and hello to clearer, smoother skin. First up, we have egg whites. This breakfast staple is a skincare superstar in disguise. Egg whites are packed with a protein called albumin. Albumin is known for its pore tightening abilities. It helps minimize the appearance of pores and reduces excess oil, leaving your skin feeling fresh and less prone to breakouts. Next, we have instant coffee powder. Beyond your morning pick-me-up, coffee offers excellent exfoliating properties for your skin. The fine granules in coffee powder gently remove dead skin cells, which can clog pores and contribute to blackheads and whiteheads. Plus, the caffeine in coffee can boost blood circulation, giving your skin a healthy glow. Finally, let's not forget the humble tissue paper. While not a star ingredient like egg whites or coffee, tissue paper plays a crucial role in this DIY mask. It acts as a base for the mask, adhering to the egg white and coffee mixture. When peeled off, the tissue helps lift away impurities and blackheads from your pores. Ready to create your own spa-worthy treatment at home? Let's get started. You'll need 1 fresh egg, instant coffee powder, tissue paper, a small bowl, and a fork. Carefully separate the egg white from the yolk. You only need the egg white for this mask. Add 1 tablespoon of instant coffee powder to the egg white. Using a fork, whisk the egg white and coffee powder together until you achieve a smooth, well-combined mixture. Grab your tissue paper and tear it into small, manageable pieces. You'll use these to create the peel-off mask. After apply the first layer of the egg white and coffee mixture, place the paper on your face, ensuring they're fully coated. Apply a second layer same way. Apply these pieces to your face, focusing on areas prone to blackheads like your nose, chin, and forehead. Layer the tissue pieces as needed to create a complete mask. Now, it's time to relax. Allow the mask to dry completely. This usually takes around 20 minutes, giving the ingredients ample time to work their magic. Once the mask is dry, gently peel it off, starting from the edges. You'll likely notice the mask lifting away impurities and blackheads, revealing smoother skin underneath. Post-mask pampering, a must for happy skin. After treating your skin to this DIY blackhead banishing mask, it's essential to show it some post-mask love. Gently wash your face with a mild cleanser. This removes any residue from the mask, leaving your skin feeling fresh and clean. Now here comes the crucial part, moisturizing. Peel-off masks, while effective, can sometimes leave your skin feeling a little dry. That's why it's essential to replenish moisture after using this mask. Choose a moisturizer that suits your skin type and apply it gently to your face and neck. Moisturizing helps rehydrate your skin after the mask, restoring its natural moisture balance. It also soothes any potential irritation and leaves your skin feeling soft and supple. Embracing clearer skin. A final word. Congratulations! You've just treated yourself to a fantastic at-home spa experience and learned the secrets of banishing blackheads with simple, natural ingredients. This egg white and coffee mask is a budget-friendly, effective way to achieve clearer, smoother skin. For best results, incorporate this mask into your skincare routine once or twice a week. Regular use can help keep blackheads at bay and maintain your skin's healthy glow. Remember, consistency is key in any skincare routine. A word of caution: while egg whites and coffee are generally safe for topical use, it's always wise to do a patch test before applying any new mask to your entire face. This helps ensure you don't have any adverse reactions or allergies to the ingredients. Apply a small amount of the mask to a discrete area, like your inner arm, and wait 24 hours to observe for any redness, itching, or irritation. Embrace the power of natural ingredients and enjoy the journey to clearer, healthier-looking skin. Please subscribe for more beauty content, and thank you for watching.